Hey, Mark here from Bugsy's Dad Enterprises, and we're going to deal with a little problem today that some people run into occasionally if they happen to play around with their Jefferson mystery clocks, and I get out of alignment with the hour hand. It'll be a little ahead or behind where they would like it to be or it should be when you line it up at 12 o'clock with both hands when you first start. And the problem has to do with this gear drive down here. Um, you're going to have to forgive my video skills because I was doing a little self trick here. I'm trying to do it myself, but here we go. Um, if you see when I turn this a little bit back and forth, I want you to take note of where that weight sits right there. You got it kicked off to this side. If I move it down to the other side, it's going to be out that way. Now, ideally, and pardon my video skills, we're going to stop from time to time. Okay, we're going to go again. Ideally, when this is in position and you're getting ready to put that all together and assemble the clock, it's going to be equal on this side and this side. Notice that, and I did that before to show you if I turn it too far, it goes that way, turn it too far, it goes the other way. And that's where we're going to be able to make a little adjustment and hopefully fix our problem with it. So what we're going to do is real simple. When you take it all down, take the minute hand and the hour hand apart, make this little adjustment. Just because you're going to, remember, we lined this up on the flats right there on either side. That's where the minute hand sits down on top of it. And what I'm going to have you do is just give it a half turn. Let's give it a half turn. Now the flats are in the still up and down, but you notice the weight swung off to that side. We're going to turn it again. Flats are lined up again. Now it's centered. I'm going to go a little more and see there it's to the right. So all we're going to have you do is to make an adjustment by turning this a half turn in one direction or the other, line the flats up, reassemble that, make sure it's at the 12 o'clock, and you'll find that when it's all lined up and put together, that the hour hand is going to be a little ahead or a little behind the top of the hour to get you going again. So give that a try. That's our little trick. I think what happens is sometimes with age, these little gears jump off here. It's got a set of little tiny gears in there. They jump off and they get out of alignment to keep the clock at straight up noon. So just remember, half turn, flats, reassemble, see where the hour hand is, no go. You go half turn back, that should be at the center position where you start with normally. Go beyond it and try that. Okay? Again, if you have any trouble, you can find us online at newmew185 at gmail.com. Mark at Bugsy's Dad saying good luck and happy clocking.